Hello everyone, welcome you again in my YouTube channel. This is Bhattleaders here, and in this channel I bring for you some motivational things which can change your life as well. Sometimes it is not about just goosebump of that motivation, but it's some inspirational things that you can use to elevate your life and to make yourself for a next level. I believe that what matters in our life is that what we believe in, and if you have a good beliefs in your life will be in the best place. But if you do not have the good beliefs, no matter how good things you have in your life, but you are going to be suffer at the end of the day. After these recessions and this lockdown, most of people have suffered from their financial issues, and most of people are doing suicide as well. So whenever I just listen this type of things, it really makes me feel sad that the peoples are doing this. So actually the main thing is that whatever is happening in our life, whatever the situation are going on in our life, the most important thing is that do we have hope? Is your mind like this, that we can think beyond the imagination, beyond the realities? Most of time what happen, we just fix ourselves with the daily routines. We just fix ourselves from the incomes that leads to our life, and we think that we are leading them, but that's not the truth. So people get hopeless. They don't know that what to do next, how to survive with their families. I was just reading a newspaper that there was a person who was doing some work due to COVID-19. The work had stopped, and he was suffering from the financial issues. But he was not only the one person who was suffering from these issues. The most of people are suffering as well. But he decided to do suicide, even though he was newly married person. I believe that if you cannot take anyone else's responsibility, don't allow this thing happen to your life. So if you want to live alone, you should live alone. You should first of all take your responsibility. Once you will be absolutely okay with yourself, then you can say that yeah, now I can change, now I can take the responsibility of other person. Then take the responsibility, and once you have taken the responsibility of any other persons, so it is your responsibility, and you should believe in yourself that you will fulfill that your responsibility. And you should work according to that. There are no any time where everything will go down only. So there are possibilities as well, there are negativities as well. What do you focus on? This is the main thing which you should understand. If you always focus on the negative things, the negative outcomes, like the work is not going on, people are not interesting, the recession is going on, the economy is going very much down, these are the things that you can not do anything about, right? So if you will keep sending the negativities out of this, so you're gonna receive this as well. So you should take a charge of yourself and think that what is the thing which matters for me. So when you will think about this, so you can understand, yeah, there are some negativities as well, but there are some positivities as well. So maybe that possibilities is hidden now. If you can focus on that, you can see this. Life is like positive with negatives. It is like black and white. So if there is a problem, so there will always be. If you want to win in your life, so you have to face this type of things in your life, right? So the COVID-19 has passed out. One day it will be okay. But what we have learned, what we have gained from here, I think which you should take out from here. Thank you so very much. Have hope. Stay blessed.